Mais venez pas
À
des
travers le mur, à travers le mur.
Ouais,
à
ouais.
l'est.
Rentrez dans le terri, rentrez dans le terri, rentrez dans le terri, rentrez dans le terri. Go inside, go inside, go inside, boys. Go inside, go inside.
Courez, courez, courez.
Okay, careful. Don't let my tank die, okay? Don't let my tank die. And be ready to counter southeast over the wall, okay? In 3, in 2. Ah no, they're too far, they're too far. They're too far, they're too far. Don't waste your stuff. Come back, come back, come back.
Food up.
On a Senna ou pas?
Food!
Allez, on a Senna.
Hey, be super spread, boys, okay? We're gonna play them like yesterday. We're gonna wait for them to engage and we're gonna counter hard. The first engage are probably gonna be on the front line, okay? We have to kill things first.
Uzi, tu peux mettre la couronne sur mon jeep, s'il te plaît?
And if we see the second blob zoning in, we're just gonna go drop our loot in the... Okay, careful, careful. Be ready to bomb over the wall, okay? South, over the wall in 3, in 2, and 1. Now south over the wall, south over the wall, south over the wall. Bomb south over the wall, bomb south over the wall. Keep bombing, keep bombing. Nice, come back, come back, come back, come back. Come back, come back, come back, come back. Defensive on the front line. Don't go too deep, okay? Don't go too deep. Don't go too deep. Stay spread, stay spread, stay spread. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, hold there, my tank. Hold with me, my tank. Hold with me. Don't let them through, okay?
Poké la Battlemount, les DPS.
Toutes les grosses keepers puis Grail Seeker en défensif.
There are two parties. I mean,
Yeah, yeah.
two fronts.
I know, I know. Okay, you guys have to. All my DPS need to hit at the same place. We almost killed a guy, a couple guys, but I see so many DPS dropping everywhere.
T'as une
Guys,
dizaine qui sont
some coming
partis.
west.
Ouais, une dizaine à l'ouest.
Combien?
À peu près 10. Ça
Ouais,
monte
même
à
plus,
15.
même plus.
Ouais,
Hein.
ouais, 120.
Ouais.
Okay, my defensive tank. Okay, stay with me. Okay, defensive tank, stay east. Okay, with 1 or 2 heal. 1 or 2 heal.
Okay, I'm on west side.
Okay, come west, walk west, walk west, walk west. We're gonna bomb the group on the west, okay? In 3, in 2, and 1. Full bomb the group on the west. Full bomb the group on the west. Full bomb this. Full bomb this. Come on, come on, come on. Nice, nice. And now come back. Perfect, perfect. Now come back. Go back to the Terry, okay? Go back to the Terry. Defensive tank hold. Perfect.
Vous essayez de
boys.
rentrer
Like-
par est.
Okay, let's go back east. Okay, let's go back east. Help our tank on the east. Help our tank on the east. Help our tank on the east. Don't let them go in. Okay. Hold here. Hold here. Hold
Okay,
here.
okay. I'm holding
Hold
west
here.
okay, for you.
Okay, okay, stay spread, boys. They're engaging right now on the east. Stay spread, stay spread, stay spread. Hold. Cooldowns, okay? Be ready to hit the front line inside the Terry, okay? In 3, in 2, in 1. Hit all those tank inside the Terry. Hit all those tank inside the Terry. Delete the tank, delete the tank. Holy shit, nice, 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 nice. Perfect, perfect. Now come back, now come back, now come back, now come back, okay? Come back, come back, come back. Stay spread, stay spread, stay spread. Perfect, boys, perfect, perfect. How's West looking?
They're going to
Ils sont rentrés par le côté
Ok, restez
nord-est.
avec moi, ok,
Nord-est,
restez
ils rentrent.
avec-
Full nord-est.
Okay. Okay, spread. You can spread on the tower now. Okay, I need a couple tanks watching west. Okay. Okay, my range DPS go near the tower. Okay, go near the tower and be ready to bump over the wall. Okay. All my range DPS. Okay. Okay, my range DPS be ready to bump over the wall east. Okay, straight east. Okay. In 3, in 2, in 1. Only my range DPS deep east. Can you reach? You cannot reach. Come back and stay spread, okay? Come back. They're gonna bomb you. Use potion here. Nobody dies. Nice. They just wasted an engage, okay? They wasted an engage. Heal my tank. Ça ressemble à quoi, West? How's West looking?
Y'a
How
personne
West
pour
looking?
l'instant.
Okay. Get ready to counter east over the wall, okay? Again, it's gonna be huge over the wall, okay? In 3, in 2, and 1. Now east over the wall. Where I am. Huge Camlan. Bomb this Camlan. Nice. And now come back. Defensive on my tanks, okay? Come back. Drop defensive tank. Hold now, okay? Defensive tank. Hold now. Try to hold. Keep dropping heals and defensive. Nobody dies. Perfect. Okay, we have engaged again. We're gonna hit the front line here, okay? East. On the east, okay? In 3, in 2, in 1. Now bomb the east front line. Huge clump. On the Camlan. Nice. Drop this and now come back. Now go back, okay? They have cooldowns in 3 seconds. They have cooldown. Drop your onion rings. Onion rings, right? Okay, come back. Perfect, boys. Holy shit, they're so scared now.
Dizzy qui amène son restant de blob.
Alright, stay super spread, boys. We're doing super good right now.
I'm stopping southeast every time.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Keep doing it.
You can loot d'ailleurs.
Ça va, come back.
Pour ceux qui ont du loot, tu peux flanquer au Thierry peut-être.
Ouais, faites-le automatiquement, les gars.
J'ai utilisé mes res spots, est-ce que quelqu'un peut m'en trade?
Ouais,
c'est
c'est
Fox
Fox
qui a dit
ça, je crois.
Non.
Alright, hold tight, boys. Hold tight.
Eclipse et Neck. Si quelqu'un peut. Je suis au niveau du match.
Hey, my range DPS, come near me. Come to the stairs, okay? Only my range DPS. Melee, don't clip on them, okay? We're gonna build them straight east, okay? Those few guys on the east over the wall. Hold. In 3, in 2, in 1. Now button straight east. The locust. Delete the locust here. Delete the locust. Come back. We miss. Come back. My defensive tank hold, okay? My defensive tank hold. We're fine. They cannot hit us, okay? They cannot hit us here. Okay, just hold there. They're so afraid.
Ils vont engage.
Okay, careful. Defensive. And get ready to counter, okay? We're gonna counter our northeast, okay? In 3, in 2, in 1. Now counter northeast. Counter northeast. It's big. Delete that. And now come back. Holy shit, nice. Now come back. Everyone back. Drop ears on my front line, okay? Drop ears in my front line. We're gonna need more ears. And come back. Poke that cam land inside of us.
Exact,
He's
tu vas
alone,
te faire
he's alone.
tuer là.
Fais gaffe, exact. Careful. Defensive now on this, and get ready to counter, okay? In 3, in 2, in 1. Now hit northeast. We got all the clutties in the side. Inside. Bump this. Okay, now come back. Perfect. We got a couple, okay? Heal up. Everyone come back. We have almost no defensive left, so come back, okay? We're gonna play super safe now. Play super safe. Heal sur Dinas. Okay, nice. Okay, my range DPS, go near the tower. You're gonna bump over the wall this time, okay? Just hold for now. Stay spread. Don't show your names, okay? Okay, they lost 2%.
Poké la Battle Mount, hein, les melee DPS.
Ouais. Don't clamp on it. Stay spread my tank as well. We're kinda clump. Okay, range DPS. Be ready. Reviens un peu Storm. Pareil, Chablan. On va essayer de les bait un peu à gauche. Ok, Chablan, t'essaieras de les rapporter vers le petit coin, ok?
Yes, c'est ce que j'essaie.
We're gonna bomb over the wall east.
He's
Okay?
engaged,
Only
he's
my range
engaged.
DPS. Careful. And only my range DPS over the wall east, okay? In 3, in 2, in 1. Now over the wall east. Kill that clump. Just kill that clump. And now come back. Okay? They have a second cooldown. Keep dropping defensive, okay? Keep dropping defensive. We're good. I need heal on the north for my tank, okay? North of the Terry, okay? Northeast of the Terry. Okay, prenez le reset, okay? And come back. Revenez au sud, okay? Okay, so they're playing 2 cooldowns now, okay? So we have to be a little bit more careful.
Chaotic calm.
Ils ont repris 5%.
Pour vrai?
Ouais, il y a un bloc qui vient de les rejoindre.
Ah, ils ont rapporté des rampes.
C'est sur le terrain, ils ont sûrement rejoint.
Ok. Okay,
He's engaged.
Careful. And we're gonna bump just the front here.
Ça arrive au sud.
Hold, actually, hold. Hold, defensive. Hold. We're gonna wait for the second cooldown. If they have one, I'm not even sure.
No. They're engaging for the both
On a
sides.
ça arrive du sud.
Ouais, c'est correct.
Ça impacte au sud-ouest, mon dieu.
Oui. C'est bon. Un tank peut tenir le petit truc. Bon, ils sont rendus à combien là? 33. Clumpez
Ils
pas
engage-
sur le
non,
petit
ils
coin,
engage
mettez-vous
pas.
même pas proche du petit coin, les DPS, ça sert à rien de poke. Okay, we're gonna try to bait them a little bit more. Ok, on a quoi comme range DPS dans le groupe 2?
Qu'avant.
Matrice, Dena.
Et Brim.
Ok.
Et
Hey, get
Arcavalo.
ready to bomb my range DPS over the wall, okay?
Ils vont engage?
East over the wall in 3, in 2, in 1. Now east over the wall, 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 and defensive on my front. Now come back, defensive on my front, okay? Drop locus here. Drop locus, use potion, use potion, use potion, use your potion, use your potion. Use potion on the front, use potion on the front. My melee go now, my melee go now. My melee hit the front line now, okay? My melee DPS hit
Jules
the
pour
line, the
Suzy.
front line now. Hit the front line now, my melee DPS. Can you hit this? Okay, no, it's fine, it's fine. Okay, heal on the front, keep dropping heals on the front. Keep dropping heals on the front. Okay, we have cooldown soon, okay? Be ready to hit just the front line here. East, okay, in 3, in 2, in 1. Now bomb all east, all east, all east, all east on the front, 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 on the front. And go back inside, go back towards the terrier, okay? My tank hold as much as you can. We have to hit the tanks, okay, boys? So hold your ease now, hold your ease. Everyone hold your ease. My
They're
tank tried to
joining
hold.
in the
Yeah, I see. Hold your ease, okay? We have to hit at the same place. Keep dropping heals on my front line.
35% eux autres. Là.
Oh my god.
Ouais.
Okay. Okay.
They're engaging again.
Careful, careful. And be ready to engage the choke, okay? The stairs in 3. Hold in 2. In 1. Now bomb in the stairs. Bomb in the stairs. Bomb in the stairs. Bomb in the stairs. It's big. Hit the stairs. Hit the stairs. Hit the stairs. Come on. Keep dropping. Keep dropping. Keep dropping. Keep dropping. I need more damage in the stairs. More damage in the stairs. Oh my god. We don't have enough
N'aie
damage.
pas peur, les gars.
Okay, come back. Come back. Come back. Keep dropping heals in the choke. Keep dropping heals in the choke. Keep dropping heals in the choke. Yeah, we have to back to the mage. Back to the mage. Back to the mage.
Hilmonji.
Keep dropping heals, okay? Spread here. I'm dropping in Judy, okay? Spread down the mage, okay? Alright, just spread on the mage. Voyons tellement.
Ils vont grid sur le mage, hein, on pourra les baiser sur ça.
Just stay super spread, boys. My tank try to mess with them, okay? Don't let them do the mage.
Regarde, il se tue sur le mage.
Vous le dites s'il y a besoin de heal sur le mage.
Tape la Battle Moon en même temps pour que la Battle Moon.
Poke the tanks in the southwest.
Yo,
I just spoke them right
on
now.
peut beam le mage ou pas?
Ouais,
Oui.
vous pouvez, ouais.
Oui, ça se bime le match. C'est même très bon.
Oh,
Okay,
fuck, I
keep
was
poking
flying.
them, okay? Careful, don't clump. Careful, they're coming in right now, okay? Defensive. And get ready to turn outside on the mage, okay? In 3, in 2, in 1. Now bomb the mage, bomb on the mage. All damage. Come on. Okay, stay spread now. Come back and stay spread. Stay spread, okay? Stay spread. Can we finish that close keeper? Yeah, try to finish it. Nice. Stay spread. Don't clump for him, okay? Don't clump for him. They're gonna come back again, okay? They're coming right now. We're gonna hit the southeast side, okay? Pourquoi vous êtes tout clump là, man? Vous êtes éclatés. Get ready to hit the east side. Southeast side in 3, in 2, in 1. Now hit the southeast side. Hit the guys on the east. Droppez à l'est. Mais pourquoi vous droppez pas à l'est? Allô?
Il y a trop.
Non, il y a pas trop, bro. Je m'en fous qu'il soit 10 000 ou vous droppez où je dis drop. Okay, stay spread. And don't clump. No clutties on the front. Careful, defensive, okay? Defensive. Use your potion, okay? And we're gonna drop west side, okay? West side in 3, in 2, in 1. Now west entrance. Bomb this. There we go. Finally. Nice. Now go back and spread, okay? Go back and spread. My defensive tank be inside of them. Try to mess with them. Okay, stay super spread. Stay super spread. Just poke them over the wall. They're gonna come soon, okay? I'm gonna try to go and leash the mage. Oh boy, that's not good.
Trying to cancel the mage.
I'm gonna need a heal on the mage, okay? Like right now. Right now. Oh yeah, nice. Okay, we're gonna bump those tanks on the east, okay? Don't go deep, okay? Don't go deep. Do not go deep. Oh, actually, defensive on the tower. Defensive on the tower. And get ready to hit the east small stairs in 3, in 2, in 1. Now hit the east. East side. East side. The scamland. Bomb the scamland. Delete. Keep deleting. Nice. Now come back. And spread, okay? Come back and spread. By the way, if you loot, bank it in the turret. Okay, mage is half health.
Il y a un
Ok.
moyen que je range,
Non. Revenez
Ils
pour
sont
revenir.
en train de faire le mage.
Okay, get ready to bump south on the mage, okay? And you're gonna need all your potions.
Ils sont très clamp.
Hold. We're gonna need probably all our potions there. Can they leash it? Okay, we're gonna have to go, boys. Anyway, we're gonna die otherwise. Be ready, we're gonna bump south, okay? Southeast on the mage in 3, in 2, in 1. Now south on the mage. It's huge. Delete that. And now come back. We reset the mage. Use potion. Come back, okay? Defensive. All defensive on this. Use everything you have. Use everything. Nice. Heal up. Heal on the east side. Don't let Skylo die. Oh my god, come on. It's easy heal right there.
Securing the boys.
Okay, get ready to hit the southeast again. Southeast side, okay? In 3, in 2, in 1. Now hit the southeast side. Just a Camnan, and now come back. Now go back now. Nice. We got a couple more, okay? Go back deep under the tower. Go back. Keep dropping heals on my front line. Oh yeah, nice.
Ils en ramènent encore.
Tranquille.
On s'en fout.
Prenez les lots.
Okay, careful. They're bobbing right now. Heals on my front. And get ready to hit the southeast side, okay? Where I am in 3, in 2, in 1. Now southeast side. It's huge. Southeast. Delete the southeast. Nice. Keep damaging on the east, okay? Okay, come back. Actually, don't greed. Heal storm. Nice. Okay, come back. Go back. Careful on the east. They're engaging on the east. East defensive, and heal east, okay? Keep healing east, okay? And get ready to turn on the east side again. On the east in 3, in 2, in 1. Now south of me. Huge clump on me. Bomb this clump. Keep dropping. Holy shit, now come back. Now go back. No, everyone back.
Ça va te prendre
Okay.
par le cul, par le
Okay, be careful. They're gonna try to bomb out from the north as well, okay?
Hello.
What the fuck is
Le
that?
mage il tient. Le mage il tient.
Okay, we hold this, boys. They're so scared.
Tu m'étonnes.
Ok, Chabla, tu essaieras d'aller faire un pack sud-est de moi, puis tu le rapporteras vers en haut, ok? Get ready not to go deep, ok? Not ready, southeast of the mage, okay? Not too deep. You can keep your spins, okay? All they ran away. They kind of read my mind.
They're like 4 times.
Keep healing my front, okay? Yeah. Careful, don't clump on the loot.
He's engaged.
Yeah, careful, defensive, and get ready to hit the southeast, okay? In 3, in 2, in 1. Now southeast of the mage. Bomb this, and you're back in 3, in 2, in 1. Now you're back. You're back. Okay, I'm dropping armor.
Des mecs qui vont de bombes à travers le mur.
And
Ouais,
be
ils sont
careful
loin.
from the north, okay? There's nothing we can do about them, so just look at them and left.
He's engaged encore.
Careful, they're bombing from the south, okay? Get ready to bomb south, okay? Southeast of the mage in 3, in 2, and 1 now southeast of the mage, 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 and you're back in 3, in 2, and 1, now you're back, now you're back, now you're back, now you're back, okay? Don't overextend, don't overextend.
Kill this tank. 10 HP.
Now you're back, heal the tanks, keep my tanks alive. Nice, nice, nice. Il chill toujours là au nord, il nous regarde.
ouais.
Oh yes.
Ouais,
no.
nous-
Ouais, ouais, ouais,
faut les
c'est juste
garder.
des slaves.
Oui.
40%.
Ils sont rendus à 40.
West, tu peux engage Sud-Ouest, ils sont
41.
full.
T'inquiète, je vois. Don't let my thing die.
Ils vont engage? Non.
Non,
Non, non, non. Ils ont pas engage.
They're engaging now. They're engaging
Yeah,
now.
careful,
Southeast,
careful,
southwest.
defensive, 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 defensive. And get ready to hit south on the mage actually, on the mage in 3, south of the mage in 2, and 1. Now south of the mage, huge jump, on the west side, on the west side, on the west. Holy shit, nice, nice, nice. And now go back, 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 now go back. Perfect hit, perfect hit, perfect hit. Can we finish that tank actually? Don't, okay, come back, don't clump, don't clump, don't clump, don't clump, don't clump. Too many guys on the loot, too many guys on the loot. Alright, stay spread. We're being smart, okay, boys? They're being stupid. Heal on the west, on the west. Leave the loot, you're gonna die for loot, man.
Arrive
Come on. Heal west, and get ready to hit south, okay? In 3, in 2, in 1, now southwest, 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 same spot, same spot, same spot, same spot, same spot, same. Hit this, hit this, hit this. Oh, nice, 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 nice. And now come back. Go back, go back, go back. Oh my god, we're destroying them, boys. Okay, come back, come back, come back, come back, come back.
Poor guys.
Fucking
Keep focus,
shitters.
keep focus and listening.
Hey, stay spread, okay? Stay
Il y en a d'autres
spread.
qui arrivent de
And
l'Ouest,
don't
il y en a
loot.
plein qui arrivent de
Don't-
l'Ouest.
Okay, we don't care about the loot, boys, okay?
Going
Okay,
for
slave
the-
are coming, slave are coming, okay? Careful, careful, careful. Defensive, defensive, defensive. They're fully pushing. Defensive, defensive, and get ready to hit the southwest, okay? Southwest in 3, in 2, in 1, same spot, southwest, same spot, southwest, same spot, southwest, same spot, same spot. Let's go, drop, 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 drop. Keep dropping, keep dropping, keep dropping. Okay, go back, go back. We didn't get many this time, but go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. Heal up, heal up, heal up, heal up, everyone.
Poke the tanks. Poke the tanks and melees.
Careful, exact, va pas trop loin. Okay, stay spread my tanks. Keep holding as much as you can.
Yo, la Battle Moon, n'hésitez pas. Hein.
Ouais, poker la battle mode, poker.
Ouais, poké, poké.
Clampez pas trop sur elle, mais. Ok. Ils vont engage, je crois, là? Non? Non, non, non.
Non, non, non.
La Kamen a 2 HP, la Kamen a 2 HP.
Eh, clean s'il vous plaît.
Ouais, arrêtez de
They start
spammer
coming.
le moins possible. Okay, we're just holding our ground, okay? We're just holding our ground. Poke the guy if they are in range, okay? Careful, careful on the mage, careful, careful, careful. And we're gonna hit more the east side, okay? Southeast side, okay? Southeast in 3, in 2, in 1. Now southeast side, don't go deep. Just this clump, delete the southeast clump, delete the southeast clump, delete the clump, delete the clump, delete the clump. And you're back in 3, in 2, in 1. Now you're back. Drop heals, 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 drop heals. Heal up. Nice, nice, nice. Come back from the east. Nice, nice. Keep dropping heals on my front. Oh yeah, perfect, perfect. Stay spread, okay? I think we got a couple again. Okay. They're engaging right now on the mage, Keep dropping it. Okay, walk west of the tower, walk west. We're gonna hit south of me, okay? South of me in 3, in 2, in 1. Now south of me. Delete that, and go back to inside the terry now. Go back inside the terry now. Okay? Heal up, grab the heals. Nice, nice, nice. They have 2 cooldowns, okay? So we have to play with them, okay? We have to go from west to east to west to east.
GG Chameau.
Alright, careful on the mage, defensive on the mage. Walk west on the tower, walk west of the tower. And we're gonna hit that group southwest, okay? Old actually, old second cooldown is coming in, second cooldown. And we're gonna hit on the mage, southeast, okay? In 3, in 2, in 1. Now hit the southeast side, southeast side. Go back. Go back, go back. They're gonna engage again. They're gonna engage again. Defensive on this. Defensive, defensive, defensive. Yeah, we're taking a lot of damage right now. Hold. Okay, come more west, come more west, come more west. They're gonna engage from the east, okay? They're gonna engage from the east. They're gonna engage from the east. And get ready to engage southwest, okay? Southwest. In 3, in 2, in 1. Now southwest, southwest side, southwest side, southwest side. On the clump, southwest, on the clump, southwest, on the clump, southwest. Delete the clump, delete the clump. Nice, nice, nice. Keep dropping if you have. Okay, now go back, now go back, now go back, now go back, okay? Go back more on the east right now, okay?
Laisse-les, ils sont plus à l'extérieur côté nord.
Ok. Ouais, je sais, ils sont à côté de nous.
Nice, c'est pas mieux en fait.
Just
Hey,
stay
keep
more
banking
north.
the loot in that area, boys. Careful from the west, careful from the west, careful from the west. Just a bait, okay? Just a fake, just a fake. Oh my god, they still have so many. I'm gonna need a heal on the mage. Heal on the mage, heal on the mage. As soon as I get out of... Okay. Keep dropping
coming,
heals, keep
they're
dropping
coming.
heals, keep dropping heals. I need more heals, I need more heals. Keep dropping me
Extra
heals on the
battalion.
mage, keep dropping me heals on the mage. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, oh, stay spread, stay spread, stay spread. Stay spread. Okay, we're gonna hit the... well, I don't know what to hit actually. They have so
Sur le
many.
mage, ils sont clamp.
Okay, we're gonna hit southeast of the mage, okay? In 3, in 2, in 1. Now southeast of the mage and use all defensive to come back. Use all defensive to come back. Use all defensive to come back. Now go back, now go back, now go back. Stay spread, spread up and use all defensive if needed, okay? Use defensive now. Cleanse and defensive, cleanse and defensive, cleanse on this, cleanse on this, cleanse, quickly, quickly, quickly. Keep dropping heals, keep dropping heals. I think this is about to be the end.
Never.
Alright, be ready to drop on the mage again, okay? Be ready to drop on the mage
doing
in
the mage.
3, in 2, in 1. Now drop on the mage. They kill the mage anyway. Just drop, drop. Kill as many as you can. Kill as many as you can. Oh my god, keep bombing, keep bombing. Okay, try to run if you can, but I think you should just
Jaguar,
fight it.
aide-moi!
They're 5 times.
Yeah, they have so many.
I'm still alive.
I see so many people leaving. Try to
I'm
run
still
out, okay?
alive.
Yeah, try to run if you can. Spread and run,
Yeah,
spread
no,
and run.
I'm live.
Jaguar, t'es-
200
Spread
people
and run.
behind me.
Runtime, baby!
Run,
Left
Lefty.
me. Oh my god.
Celui
This
qui est sorti avec moi, l'armure de démon l'a sauvé ou pas?
Manji, we all
Yeah.
die and the blob is still
No.
keep our blob.
Yeah, I know. Okay, spread and run, boys. If you're still alive, don't die, okay? Don't die. We already lost enough people.
What?
We did an amazing job, boys.
Oh, it was insane, yeah.
Don't
Well
come to
done.
the hideout. You're out there, okay? Try to go away, go away, go away.
Is fucking amazing.
N'est pas à la show si vous êtes si vous avez survécu.
Good job, guys.
Merci Jaguar, j'ai envie grâce à toi.